I go by Sleeping Snorlax 72, and I like to do stuff like this. Magic. 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 Magic.
Is that Fist Bump Energy? He appears to be frozen. Now he appears confused. Darkness. Hello, darkness.
Umakuni says it's a celebration.
I was shocked to see that no Imakuni cards made the 25th anniversary set list.
Mew!
I wish we would bring back Umakuni. Summoning Jutsu.
Umakuni! Umakuni!
No heat from this pack, but fret not, friends. It's still a
Celebration! Celebration! Celebration!
I wonder what will be in this pack. Celebrations is so random and oh my.
Venusaur!
That was exhilarating. I wonder what's in this pack. Oh man, celebrations.
Prime? Nice.
It's prime time to get these polls. Nature Boy Energy. The energy seemed confused once more. Oh no, could this mean... Oh no. Well, who do we have here? Zap Zap? Sparky McSpark Spark? Oh, he looks angry. Hippopotas? Glossy Fleur? Can never tell what you'll get in these Fates Collide because they are from the XY era. Now, we know that there can be some energies in these packs, but there's definitely no pack trick to guess the energy. Still, loving that Jigglypuff. There is a bit of shine, but that could be the reverse holo. We do know that XY era has some shiny reverse holos. Dud. Come on, second Fates Collide booster pack. I need something. As I've said before, the artwork in this set is pretty cool. We get to see some cool things like Valor rolling with his homies. The older set artwork just hit a little different, and I personally love them. Derpy coughing. And Valor, he's looking angry. And Dupe, I need some
magic.
Darkness, once more. Fancy seeing you a second time in these pack openings. Come on, Darkness, you gotta give me something. This is the second time we've seen you, and anything other than pure heat, well, that would be bananas.
Umakuni Luck Last Pack Magic, similar to Jason Neal cheat codes and sparse summoning magic. Let's get it!
All-Seeing Eyeball Energy just introduced himself and he's gearing up for an attack. Could this really be? Could this really be? Could All-Seeing Eyeball Energy possess that lucky thing we all enjoy? That last pack magic. Fitting looking tree for Umakuni style last pack summoning. Well, thanks for watching, Lax Pack. Have a wonderful day.